Today in this video, I'm going to walk you through one of the parameter of Froala editor, and that is called pastePlain. So these are all the files which I have included under resources, and this one is HTML area, this one is CSS, and the third one is JavaScript, in which I have written the parameter pastePlain colon false. So I'm going to discuss with you what is the functionality of pastePlain false and pastePlain true one by one. So let me just start with pastePlain false. So that means whatever the content you are going to copy from the website, it will going to copy the content and then paste it into the editor section with all the formatting. So this is the one way which you can add, and if I set it as true and then click on run and then paste the content here, then it will remove all the formatting. So this is the only difference between the paste plain true and false, and you can use the same functionality and the same parameter on your project as well. So thank you for watching this video.